What if I told you this 1981 Chevrolet Camaro isn't just a classic muscle car, it's an $87,900 street monster packing a 383 stroker V8 that can leave modern sports cars staring at its taillights. The golden era of American muscle never truly ended, it simply evolved, and today, standing before us is proof that legends can be reborn. This breathtaking 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod is far more than a restored classic. It's a handcrafted performance machine that perfectly blends vintage muscle with modern engineering, creating one unforgettable driving experience. Valued at an impressive $87,900, every inch of this Camaro has been thoughtfully upgraded while preserving the unmistakable character that made the second-generation Camaro an American icon. At first glance, the rich, dark red exterior paint immediately commands attention. Under the sunlight, the paint radiates with deep reflections, giving the body an elegant yet aggressive appearance. Chrome accents provide just the right amount of contrast, highlighting the Camaro's timeless design without overwhelming its muscular proportions. The aggressive cowl hood hints that something extraordinary is hiding underneath, while the shaved firewall creates an incredibly clean engine bay that showcases the craftsmanship invested throughout this build. Completing the exterior are legendary Cragar wheels wrapped in 225/45 R17 front tires and wider 245/45 R17 rear tires, delivering both classic styling and modern road grip. But the real magic begins the moment that hood is lifted. Nestled between the fenders is a legendary Chevrolet 383 cubic inch stroker V8. This isn't simply an upgraded engine, it's the heart of an American street machine built to deliver relentless torque and exhilarating acceleration. Feeding the stroker is a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, one of the most respected names in performance. Combined with an aluminum intake manifold, the engine breathes effortlessly, producing the deep, aggressive soundtrack that every muscle car enthusiast dreams about. Keeping temperatures under control is an aluminum radiator paired with dual electric cooling fans, ensuring reliable performance whether cruising through city streets or unleashing full power on the open highway. A modern serpentine belt setup further improves reliability while giving the engine compartment a clean, organized appearance worthy of a professional show car. Power is transferred through a dependable 700 R4 4-speed automatic transmission. This transmission offers the perfect balance between hard launch acceleration and comfortable highway cruising thanks to its overdrive fourth gear. It transforms this classic Camaro into a muscle car that's just as enjoyable on long road trips as it is at weekend car shows. Sending that power to the pavement is a durable 10-bolt rear axle equipped with 3.731 gears. The aggressive gearing allows the Camaro to leap forward with incredible urgency whenever the throttle is pressed. While utilizing an open rear differential, the overall drivetrain remains exceptionally responsive, delivering the kind of raw driving experience that made classic American V8s legendary. Performance isn't only about horsepower, it's about confidence behind the wheel. That's why this Camaro features power steering, making every turn effortless while maintaining excellent road feel. Four-wheel power disc brakes dramatically improve stopping performance, providing modern braking confidence that far surpasses the original factory setup. The suspension has been comprehensively upgraded to match the engine's capabilities. An aftermarket crossmember strengthens the chassis while aftermarket upper and lower control arms improve suspension geometry. Modern coilovers allow the Camaro to sit with an aggressive stance while dramatically enhancing ride quality and cornering ability. A front sway bar further reduces body roll, giving the car impressive stability through sweeping curves without sacrificing cruising comfort. Slide underneath this Camaro and the quality continues to impress. The floorboards have been refinished in durable black paint, creating a clean, restored appearance. A brand new fuel fuel tank, fresh fuel lines, and new brake lines ensure dependable operation for years to come. The TIG-welded and band-clamped exhaust system reflects meticulous craftsmanship while producing the unmistakable thunderous exhaust note that only a healthy V8 can deliver. Open the driver's door and the black interior welcomes you with a perfect balance of originality and tasteful modernization. Fresh carpeting instantly elevates the cabin's appearance, while a brand new headliner restores the interior's factory-fresh atmosphere. New weatherstrip seals help eliminate unwanted road noise and improve overall comfort. The dashboard has been enhanced with aftermarket performance gauges that provide accurate engine information while complementing the Camaro's sporty personality. An upgraded aftermarket audio system brings modern sound quality to this classic icon, allowing every drive to be accompanied by crystal clear music when the V8 isn't stealing the show. Even the trunk has been professionally carpeted, demonstrating that attention to detail extends to every corner of this remarkable build. Driving this Camaro is an experience that awakens every sense. Turn the key, and the 383 stroker V8 erupts with a deep, unmistakable rumble. Every press of the accelerator delivers immediate response from the Holley carburetor, while the automatic transmission shifts confidently through each gear. The upgraded suspension keeps the car composed, the disc brakes inspire confidence, and the unmistakable exhaust note reminds everyone nearby that this is authentic American muscle. What makes this Camaro especially desirable is its ability to honor the past while embracing modern reliability. It captures everything enthusiasts love about classic muscle cars: the styling, the sound, the presence, and the excitement, while incorporating carefully selected upgrades that make it more enjoyable to drive in today's world. At $87,900, this 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod represents far more than a classic automobile. It represents countless hours of craftsmanship, premium components, thoughtful engineering, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. It's equally at home winning trophies at prestigious car shows, dominating weekend cruise nights, or delivering unforgettable drives down winding back roads. This isn't simply transportation, it's rolling American history transformed into a modern performance masterpiece. It's the final evolution of the legendary second-generation Camaro, elevated with power, precision, and timeless style. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates handcrafted muscle, this remarkable Camaro stands as a perfect reminder that true legends never fade, they simply become even more extraordinary.